Imagine this. A signal from Mars, not a garbled sound, but a structured message. Could this be a sign of life beyond Earth? In 2023, the European Space Agency set out to answer this question. They launched a project called A Sign in Space. The goal was to simulate the experience of receiving a message from an alien civilization. The signal was designed to spark our curiosity. It was a test of our ability to detect, decode, and understand a message from the stars. The project involved scientists, artists, and even the public. It was a global effort to explore the possibilities of interstellar communication. This experiment wasn't about finding out if Martians exist. It was about preparing for the day we might receive a real message from an extraterrestrial civilization. It was about understanding what it would take to decipher an alien language. The A Sign in Space project was a reminder that we are not alone in the universe, and it posed a fundamental question: are we ready to listen? The A Sign in Space project was a groundbreaking endeavor. It aimed to simulate the reception of an extraterrestrial signal. This was no small feat. The project required careful planning and international collaboration. The ESA partnered with several organizations. These included the SETI Institute and the Green Bank Observatory. Together, they crafted a signal that would be both detectable and intriguing. The signal was transmitted from the ExoMars Trace gas orbiter. This spacecraft was already orbiting Mars, studying its atmosphere. The signal was designed to mimic the characteristics of an intentional transmission. It was sent on a specific frequency and with a specific structure. This was to distinguish it from natural radio waves. The transmission was aimed at Earth, where a network of telescopes was waiting to receive it. The A Sign in Space project was a testament to human ingenuity. It was a demonstration of our ability to collaborate on a global scale, and it was a reminder of our enduring fascination with the possibility of life beyond Earth. Sending a signal across the vastness of space is no easy task. The distance between Mars and Earth varies greatly. At its closest, Mars is about 34 million miles away. At its farthest, it can be over 250 million miles away. The signal from the A Sign in Space project had to travel millions of miles, and it had to arrive at Earth with enough strength to be detected. To achieve this, scientists used powerful radio telescopes. These telescopes are designed to pick up faint signals from deep space. The signal was encoded with information. This information was not in any human language. Instead, it was designed to be universally understandable. The signal contained mathematical patterns and scientific concepts. These were thought to be recognizable by any intelligent civilization. The transmission was a carefully orchestrated event. It took place at a specific time. This was to ensure that the telescopes on Earth were pointing in the right direction. The signal was sent out into the cosmos, carrying with it the hope of a response. Once the signal was received, the real work began. The message was not in a language we understood. It was a complex pattern of signals. Scientists and enthusiasts alike were eager to decipher its meaning. The ESA made the signal public. They invited anyone with the necessary skills to try and decode it. This sparked a global effort. Universities, research institutions, and individuals all joined the challenge. The message was analyzed from every angle. Experts in various fields were consulted. Mathematicians, cryptographers, and linguists all offered their expertise. The goal was to find any patterns or structures that could hold the key to the message. Weeks turned into months. The mystery of the signal deepened. Some speculated that it contained a greeting. Others believed it might hold scientific information. The world waited with bated breath for a breakthrough. Section 5, a father-daughter team cracks the code. In a surprising turn of events, the code was cracked not by a team of experts, but by two individuals, Ken and Kelly Chaffin, a father-daughter duo from the United States. Ken, an engineer, and Kelly, a data analyst, had been working on the signal in their spare time. Their approach was simple but effective. They focused on identifying patterns within the signal. They noticed that the signal could be divided into 5 distinct clusters. Each cluster consisted of a series of pulses. After careful analysis, they realized that each pulse represented a specific amino acid. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, essential for life as we know it. The 5 clusters represented 5 different amino acids. The Chaffins had done it. They had cracked the code and revealed the message hidden within the signal. Their discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community and captured the imagination of the public. Section 6. Amino acids, the language of life. The discovery of amino acids in the signal was significant. It suggested that whoever sent the message had a basic understanding of biology. It raised intriguing questions about the nature of the message and the intentions of its senders. Amino acids are fundamental to life as we know it. They are the building blocks of proteins which carry out a vast array of functions in living organisms. The choice to use amino acids in the message hinted at a shared biological heritage. Was this a deliberate attempt to establish common ground? Were the senders trying to tell us that life in some form exists beyond Earth? The discovery of the amino acids opened up a Pandora's box of questions. It sparked debate among scientists and philosophers alike. Some argued that it was a profound message about the universality of life. Others urged caution, warning against jumping to conclusions. The debate continues to this day. Section 7, Citizen Science, a triumph of collaboration. The decoding of the A sign in space message was a triumph for citizen science. The Chaffins, with their dedication and fresh perspective, had achieved what had eluded seasoned professionals. Their success highlighted the power of open collaboration and the importance of involving the public in scientific endeavors. The A sign in space project had captured the imagination of people worldwide. Thousands of individuals from all walks of life had downloaded the signal and attempted to decode it. This collective effort, though ultimately unsuccessful in cracking the code, was instrumental in generating ideas and approaches. The Chaffins' achievement demonstrated that scientific breakthroughs can come from unexpected places. It underscored the importance of fostering a culture of curiosity and encouraging participation from all members of society. The A sign in space project was a testament to the power of human ingenuity when we work together. Section 8. The future of interstellar communication. The A sign in space project was a glimpse into the future of interstellar communication. It highlighted the challenges and possibilities of communicating with an alien intelligence. The project served as a valuable learning experience. It taught us about the importance of careful planning, the need for a universal language, and the power of collaboration. While the A sign in space message was simulated, the lessons learned from the project will be invaluable when and if we ever receive a real message from an extraterrestrial civilization. The project has ignited a new wave of interest in SETI research. It has sparked discussions about the ethical implications of contact with an alien intelligence. The A sign in space project may be over, but the quest to find out if we are alone in the universe continues. The experience has left us with more questions than answers. But it has also filled us with a sense of wonder and a renewed determination to explore the cosmos. Perhaps one day we will receive a real message from the stars, and when we do, we will be ready to listen